This is tape number 810. Do you have the worksheets in front of you? If you do, then you're ready to begin. If you don't, turn off the tape and go and get the worksheets. Now turn to the first page. On this page there are some sounds, and first we're going to revise the sounds that we've learned before. I want you to read them with me. Ba, bad, ba, bang, ba, back. Be, bend, be, bed, be, bet. Be, bill, be, bib, be, bid. Bo, bond, bo, boss, bo, bog. Ba, but, ba, bun, ba, bust. Now we're going to read the next block of sounds. Ta, tab, ta, tap, ta, tack. Te, test, te, tent, te, tell. Ti, tip, ti, tint, ti, till. To, top, to, toss, to, tock. Ta, tub, ta, tuck, ta, tug. And now the last block. Read them with me. Pa, pant, pa, pat, pa, pan. Pe, pet, pe, pest, pe, peg. Pi, pig, pi, ping, pi, pit. Po, pot, po, pod, po, pom. Pa, put, pa, pub, pa, puff. That's good. Now turn over the page. This block contains the new sounds for this week. I want you to look while I read the first line. Da, dam, da, damp, da, dab. Now you read it with me. Da, dam, da, damp, da, dab. And now you read it by yourself. Now look at the next line. You look while I read the line. De, desk, de, deb, de, den. Now read it with me. De, desk, de, deb, de, den. And now you read it by yourself. Now look at the next line. You look while I read the line. Di, dim, di, did, di, dish. Now you read it with me. Di, dim, di, did, di, dish. And now you read it by yourself. Now look at the next line. You look while I read the line. Do, dot, do, dob, do, dock. Now read it with me. Do, dot, do, dob, do, dock. And now you read it by yourself. Now look at the last line. You look while I read the line. Da, dull, da, dump, da, dust. Now read it with me. Da, dull, da, dump, da, dust. And now you read it by yourself. That's good. Now we're going to read all of the new sounds together. You read with me. Da, dam, da, damp, da, dab. De, desk, de, deb, de, den. Di, dim, di, did, di, dish. Do, dot, do, dob, do, dock. Da, dull, da, dump, da, dust. That's good. Now turn over to the next page. On this page we have some words, and I want you to look and point to the words while I read them. I'm going to read down the columns. Right, here, yes, has, me, saw, no, do, pull, buy, carry, help, good, why, of, before, no, work, out, ate, all, been, only, many, very, ate, hurt, never, far, use, us, for, kind, sit. I'm going to read them again, and this time I want you to read them after me. Right, here, yes, has, me, saw, no, do, pull, buy, carry, help, good, why, of, before, no, work, out, ate, all, been, only, many, very, ate, hurt, never, far, use, us, for, kind, sit. Now I'm going to read them again, and this time I want you to read them with me. Right, here, yes, has, me, saw, no, do, pull, buy, carry, help, good, why, of, before, no, work, out, ate, all, been, only, many, very, ate, hurt, never, far, use, us, for, kind, sit. That's good. Now I'm going to say a word. I want you to find it, point to it, and then write it down on the first line at the bottom of the page. Are you ready? Okay, the first word is help. Help. Write it on the first line at the bottom of the page. Help. Only. 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 Write it underneath the last word. Only. Many. 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 Saw. Saw. I saw you with your friend yesterday. Saw. Before. 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 Kind. Kind. It was very kind to help. Very kind. Kind. has, has, has. 8. 8, the number 8. 6, 7, 8. Here, here, come over here, here. Work, work. Work hard, work. Use, use. Do you use a pencil or a pen to write with? Use. Never, never, never. By, by. They lived in a house by the river. By. Good, good. That's very good. Good. Very, very. That's very good. Very. Now we're going to have a rest from writing. I'm going to go through the words again from the top of the first column. And this time, I want you to read them with me. Right, here, yes, has, me, saw, no, do, pull, buy, carry, help, good, why, of, before, no, work, out, 8, all, been, only, many, very, 8, hurt, never, far, use, us, for, kind, sit. Well done. Now we're going to write some more, and the next word is right. The opposite of left. Right. Right. Four. The number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Why? Why? The question why? Why? Been. Been. Where have you been all day? Been. Pull. 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 Sit. Sit. Sit still. Sit. Carry, carry. Do you help your mum carry the shopping? Carry. No, no. Do you know your 3 times table? No. Ate, ate. Did you see what they ate for dinner? Ate. Yes, yes, yes. All, all, all. Hurt. Be careful. You might hurt yourself. Hurt. Of. Of. A jar of jam. Of. Me. 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 I want you to help me. Me. No. No. No, you mustn't do that. No. Far. 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 Far away. Far. Out. 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 Us. 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 Do. 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 That's all the words for this week. And now I want you to turn over the page. On this page, there is some reading for you and some questions to answer. I want you to look at the words at the top of the page. You look at them while I read them. Trouble, raincoat, remember, clay, gutters, pieces, wood, thick, strong, writer. Now we're going to go through those words again, and this time I want you to read each one after me. Trouble, raincoat, remember, clay, gutters, pieces, wood, thick, strong, writer. Well done. And this time we'll go through them again and you should read them with me. Trouble, raincoat, remember, clay, gutters, pieces, wood, thick, strong, writer. Now read what you have to do and then answer the questions. And you should turn off the tape while you're doing your work. When you've finished, turn the tape back on for the next section on the next page. On this page there are some sounds. You look while I read the sounds. To, p, gi, be, ri, n, ro, ma, se. Now read the sounds after me. To, p, gi, be, ri, n, ro, ma, se. What you have to do is to think of 4 words which begin with each sound. Remember, it's the sound that's important. And then write the words down. So you begin with 4 words starting with to, to, and then you move on to the next sound. Let's go through those sounds once more, and this time say them with me. To, p, gi, be, ri, n, ro, ma, se. Turn off the tape while you're doing this work. And when you finish this, you've completed everything for this week. Your teacher will see your work next time you go to the centre. Well done, and thanks for being good, and thanks for being good, and thanks for